Hi all, this is Bhuneshwari from Verizon. I have chosen the track Technology Driving Social Impact, and my topic is Krishi Raj with Technology, meaning farmers rule with technology. Agriculture is the backbone of our country, a fact taught to us since childhood. 56.6% of Indian population are either farmers or in allied activities. India is the second largest producer of several agricultural products. With 130 crores of population, India has a huge market for these products and we also export a lot of them. In spite of this, how is the life of the farmers? Very painful, very uncertain. So, I took a survey of around 80 farmers to understand the challenges that they face in effective farming. The three major things that came up are water supply, labor, and price fluctuation. Water supply is something related to environment, and there are also plans to link our rivers. Labor is something that could be sorted out to some extent with the automated machines, and also if the farmers have a good lifestyle, they will be able to hire laborers with good salary. So I had chosen to focus more on price fluctuation. The survey shows that 45% of the time there is fluctuation in the price of vegetables. The reason for those are change in demand, more production of the same crop, and also the marketing agents. So these three contribute to around 80% of the reason for price fluctuation. There are certain tools like smart farming, Fasal, that are available in the market to help agriculture, which monitor the health of the crops from the time they are sown to the time they are harvested. And there's also ENAM, National Agriculture Market, which helps the farmers to sell their products in the market. But in spite of this, there's no full-fledged solution to maintain the demand versus supply. And that's the reason for the current problems. So my solution is to focus on addressing these problems using IoT and AI. So what I propose in my solution is we'll have three data points. One, crop, the second, demand, and the third would be supply. So when it comes to crop, we'll have IoT sensors installed on the land, farmer's land, which would sense the fertility of the soil, understand the water level there, do a weather forecast, and give it to the Krishi Raj app. The Krishi Raj app would do a pattern analysis of this to find out which all crops could be grown there. The next, demand. The current marketing agents and also the agriculture export department would have the details of the products those are sold in the previous years. So we will consolidate all those and do and apply data science on those to do a forecasting of what would be the demand after these crops are harvested. And when it comes to supply, the current village administrative officer maintains a record book of the crops that are cultivated by the farmers in that village, and also eventually the Krishi Raj app would have a detail of what crops are being cultivated by each farmer. So comparing all this, applying AI on those, the app should be able to give a recommendation to the farmers stating what crops they could cultivate, what will be the yield per hectare, what will be the risk percentage involved. And all this should be translated to them in their native language. And the app shall also have a interface with the market, with the marketing agent, so that the farmers are able to find the best marketing agent which gives them the best price, nearest marketing agent that gives them the best price. The benefits of this would be there would be a proper demand versus supply, there would be a stabilized income for the farmers, and they would also be able to export their products easily, find the best markets with best price for their products. Thank you.